Hey, my name is Dave Brown, and today I will teach you how to make the blueberry frozen Cosmopolitan the healthy way. See you in a bit. In this amazing and delicious cocktail, we have 4 amazing elements. We have first of all the coconut water, which is very hydrating. You can consume it during the day. It's very low in calories. We have the blueberries. Blueberry is a superfood, very antioxidant. It can cure cancer, they say. It's really something you can have. It's low in calorie also. You don't have to be afraid. You can consume it whenever you want during the day. We have stevia and we have lime, 1 whole juice of a lime and 2 small pieces of orange. I would say it's 1/4 of an orange. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we take 120 milliliters of water, coconut water, and we'll add it in the blender. Then 2 dashes of the stevia. Take care of the stevia because some stevia are very strong, so it won't taste the same. We put the 30 grams or 40 grams, in this case I put 40 grams of blueberries. Normally it's red berries, it's cranberries really, in the Cosmopolitan, but it's very hard to find, and I think this is what sportive people tend to eat, so you can make a Cosmopolitan with this. There is no problem at all. So what we will do now, we'll put the orange pieces, 2 orange pieces, inside the glass, and what we will do, we'll squeeze. You need to squeeze it. Okay, in this case, it's not like mint that you have to do it gently. Here, you can squeeze, take all the juice out. Okay, and this will replace the Cointreau that you find in Cosmopolitan. Okay, then you have the blueberry, you have the coconut here. So what we do, we put some ice, 2 ice cubes. Those ones are big ice cubes, so if it's small where you have it, then you put 3, okay? You don't have to put many. Close, and you see the difference. Magic happens. Magic. See? Always listen. And the sound is perfect. The drink is perfect. This was done. I just put it in the glass, and now what we do, we fill the glass slowly because the emulsion makes a foam. The foam is going down, and you see here is liquid, the foam. This looks so refreshing, amazing. And I haven't put the lime yet. You can put also the juice of the lime inside, or I'll show you another trick. Alright, so whole lot of a lime because it's a non-alcoholic drink, so I really suggest you to always put a whole lime to give taste. Even the sweetener, stevia, is very strong, but when you put it in frozen, it brings down the sugar, taste. So really, you can go for this, there's no problem. What is bad is if you don't put enough, then there's no taste. There you go. The whole lime. Look at this. Just a perfect drink, right? Okay. This is done. What I'm going to do now, if you want, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, you cannot do it. You can avoid also. I would suggest you or to take lime or orange. Depends on your taste. And I will take this orange because I like the orange smell. You take something like a potato, something to cut the potato peel, and then what you will do is bring it and you peel it on top of the glass, so the oil gets out of the glass. You go like this, and you have here an amazing Cosmopolitan frozen healthy style. Enjoy it. Let's see now if it's good. See, taste is balanced, very refreshing, so hydrating. I would recommend you really to try it.